Hi guys, come with me as I spend my weekend here in Manila. Let's go. What's up guys? I'm currently here at the airport right now. I'm bound to Manila to watch Dear Evan Hansen, the musical. I've watched the movie. I've been listening to their playlist and soundtrack. I like the movie How Much More sa theater. My friend from the US also recommended me to really watch the theater. It's one of my goals talaga to watch the Dear Evan Hansen theater musical play. Before, like, it was kind of impossible kasi it's in like the US lang. But now they're already here in the Philippines, but in Manila. I'm from Cebu, so that's why I'm at the airport right now. It's never a hindrance for me to watch it. Lili pa rin talaga. Yeah, let's go and come with me as I spend my weekend. Yes, weekend lang sa Manila. Let's go. So my first order of business here in Manila is to go to Mawa to eat at Yabu or Frankie's probably because wala yung ganun sa Cebu eh. So whenever I'm here in Manila lang ako nakakatikim. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm actually hungry right now. It's actually 3:36 p.m. na and I haven't taken my lunch yet. Look at this guys. Oh my god, dyan ako later. Yun na nga, as what I have mentioned, the primary reason why I'm here is to watch Dear Evan Hansen. Aside from that, then syempre, I wanna try to eat yung mga favorite foods ko here in Manila. I'm actually really excited now. Papunta pa akong Mawa as of the moment. Gutom na ako, so let's go! Hi guys, I'm currently here at Yabu. I was excited to dine here. Walang ganito sa Cebu eh, so I'm alone. Nag-iisa lang ako dito. Dumihan din na lang po yung cabbage. Gutom ako eh. Konti. Yun. Thank you. Look at this. Finally done eating at Yabu guys. I'm going to Disney Store now. See if they have Woody Buds or Buzz Lightyear. I'm excited. Ta-da! Disney Store! Let's see if they have Buzz or Woody inside or any Toy Story stuff. Let's see. Go. Oh my god. Should I get this? Get ko na ba?
Yes, sir. You should get it, sir. It belongs to you, sir.
Parang pinagpapawisan ako. Pagbalik ko, dapat nandito na si Woody ah.
Sana pumalik kayo, sir, nang medyo matagal-tagal din.
Ayoko yun eh, kasi ano yun,
Father niyo to, sir.
kontrabida yun eh.
Lahat ng villain, sir, may background story.
Sinisip-stock mo talaga ako. Umiilaw to?
No, sir. Yan yung detector niya, sir. To communicate sa other Tara. For business trip tayo today, sir.
Hindi, gala lang.
Ay, sama mo naman ako, sir. I'll tour you around. Pasay to, Pasay to Manila.
Wait lang. Parang gusto ko muna mag-consult sa... Babalik ako
Ako
dito.
na yung consultant mo, sir. Pagbalik mo, sir, wala na yan, sir. Kasabihin ko talaga, I told you, you listen to my told.
Gusto ko yun.
Tapos para ka na umuwi na naka-Hong Kong.
Exact.
Diba, sir, pag uwi mo,
Exactly.
sir, ay, ang daming bit-bit nag-Hong Kong kasi.
Sure ba?
Yes, sir. Like legit. Charot lang. Ay po, nakikisali lang po sa vlog ng my vlog.
Guys, ito din.
Yeah. Deserve you, sir, bumili ng Buzz Lightyear.
Actually,
Funky
ano ko,
pa.
favorite ko talaga yung Toy
Reward niyo po
Story.
sa self mo, sir.
Healing your inner child.
Inner child.
Huh?
But this is not This is not Wonderland, and we're not Alice.
Ah?
Charot lang.
Parang close na tayo ah. Ang pangalan mo pala?
June po.
June?
After ng July.
After or before?
Before pa lang. Mali tayo dun. Mali yung script ko pala. Sorry po.
Sabihin ko sana ako si July eh.
Get mo na yan, sir. Si para siyang friend mo, sir. May team song yan, sir. You
Ito?
have a friend in me. Charity. MM ko lang, sir. Pero part ng story po yun.
Yung mga comprehensive eh. Uy, ano ba?
Get mo na, sir. Hindi kami
Uy,
ng
out
vlog
of
na
the
may
plan ko talaga to.
Meron ni-
Parang ito, gusto ko din kunin.
Yeah, ang cute yan, sir. Fast moving kasi si Toy Story, sir. Like,
Sige, get ko na lang.
get mo na, sir. I'll help you, sir, papunta doon. I'll hold your camera, sir.
Oh, ikaw na yung videographer ko.
So, going to the
Guys,
Flying
may videographer
Elephant.
ako, guys.
Over there po yung Flying Elephant. Dumbo po, the Flying Elephant.
Dami. As in, may ano na ako, videographer. Pakita ka naman sa cam.
Nakakahiya, sir. Ang pangit-pangit
Ayun,
ko po today. Hi po.
Hi guys! Taga-budol guys, taga-budol.
Buti nakita mo ako, sir. Di mo ako makakalimutan, sir.
Ikaw yung nakakita sa akin.
Ako ba?
I'm happy with this na.
Yeah. Sana soon, sir, pagbalik
Hindi na.
nandiyan na si Woody.
Labas na ako. Hindi na ako mag... Buti na lang, dala ko yung card ko.
Buti na lang, sir.
How about SM Advantage?
Yes.
Told you, sir. We accept din.
Kasi, pwede itong pang-payment.
Yes. Pwede po. I-check po natin yung balance.
Ay, hindi. Dito ka abot eh.
Thank you po.
Thank you eh.
Thank you, sir.
Nabudol mo ako ah. Hi guys. Currently here at Team Hortons and Yumoa. I'm waiting for my friend JP because kami yung magkasama na manood ng Dear Evan Hansen later. Dito muna ako papalipas ng oras habang naghihintay. I prepared this pasalubong because I'll be staying at JP's place later after we watch the play. His parents will be there, so I might as well give them pasalubong din. I just brought like chicharon from Cebu, Tartar Cebu. Very than spicy. There. Ito pasalubong ko kay JP. Bibigyan ko din siya ng perfume namin. We're selling perfumes in Cebu. Our brand name is Ishtar Perfume Lab here. Ishtar Perfume Lab. I will also be giving JP this one para matry niya din yung perfumes namin. And sana mag-order siya ng marami din, di ba? But this one is free. Bibigyan namin siya nito. Pasalubong kay JP. Unique look. Alam niyo ba, I'm so hulas. Like, yung face ko, so hulas. It's really out of the plan to be budoled in the Disney store, no? Pero no regrets kasi ever since before, I have been like longing to have this. Alam niyo ba, quick chika, in Cebu, there was a store in Mandaue, Cebu na nagde-display ng ganito, tsaka meron din si Woody. Para siyang small boutique, Japanese boutique. And then, when I asked pagkano yung Buzz tsaka Woody nila, that stuff like told me na it's not for sale pala. Pumasok talaga ako sa store just to ask for that. Pero hindi pala siya for sale, like it's just a decoration. Pero ngayon, like I have my own Buzz Lightyear already. It's just sad that there's no Woody, it's out of stock si Woody. But definitely, I will buy Woody. Kasi di pwedeng wala si Woody, di ba? Partner yan si Buzz tsaka si Woody. Kaya maybe one of these days, babalik ako dito sa MOA and then bibili ako ng Woody or maybe sa other countries, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Right now, I'm just so happy to have this. Nabudol ako pero it's like I'm healing
feeling my inner child na naman. So, no regrets. So, while waiting for JP, chill muna ako dito sa Tim Hortons with my favorite iced double French vanilla. Dito ako mag-stay kasi walang ganito sa Cebu, walang Tim Hortons sa Cebu. So, sulitan ko na while I'm here in Manila.
Hi guys! I'm with JP. Hello. We are here at saan na to? Soler?
Theater at Soler.
Yes!
Pasay City.
We're about to watch Dear Evan Hansen. Woo! First time ko dito sa Soler. JP naman, ano talaga, resident, theater watcher. Theater watcher? Makapag-English lang. Actually, naghahabol kami sa oras pero chill lang. 8 tapos in 7.
You need to be there on time.
On time. On time. When you say on time, di dapat
As in on
early.
the dot.
Oo, just in time. JIT.
Wow.
Go! Have you ever felt like... Guys, we're currently here at Soler because we are anak ng mga contractors. We will buy luxury items, luxury bags, and cars. May cars ba dito, Chong?
Hindi parang meron.
Sige, let's find it out and let's check it out. Check it out. So we have like a 20-minute break. Uwi muna ako ng Cebu. Chong. You are not. Sino yung naiyak sa You Will Be Found? Guys, just done watching Dear Evan Hansen and gawa-gawa lang ni Evan lahat, guys. Kalahin mo yun, nasa another universe siya. Another multiverse. Oo, guys. So, wag natin tularan si Evan, okay? Hi guys, I'm with Aris now. I'll let him guess my age.
Ilan taon?
You guess, how old am I?
Hindi ko mga 24? Mga ganun.
24? Nakasan mo para marinig yun.
24.
Hindi. I'm like 29. Ano?
Hindi halata.
Huh? Guys, I'm done with my major business here in Manila for this weekend. I'm done watching Dear Evan Hansen. What's up everyone? I am currently here sa Grab na papunta na ako ng airport. It's my last day here in Manila for this weekend Manila trip. And I'm with Kuya. What's your name again, Kuya?
Nico.
Nico, yes. He's also like half Bisaya. Huh?
Bisdak.
Oh, Bisdak. One of the things siguro na napansin ko dito sa Manila whenever I ride Grab, siguro mostly if not all, mga Bisaya yung mga Grab drivers, which is nice kasi I get to converse with them. Yan lang yung weekend ko dito sa Manila though. Yan lang, quick trip lang.
Ano nag-enjoy ko?
Oo, nag-enjoy naman. Nanood lang ako ng theater sa Soler. Tapos pumunta ng MOA, nag-shop ng konti. And then pagbalik ng Cebu, mahirap na ulit.
Ganun.
Oo, hirap na ulit. Mahal dito, uy. Mahal talaga dito sa Manila, guys. I think this ends the trip. I'm in the vlog here now and see you soon sa mga next vlogs ko. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment or share whatever you want to do. Because we're finally here at the airport now. Thank you so much, Kuya Nico. Bye-bye.